Right, today I'm going to show you how to install CXMB onto your PSP, and you can also put CXMB themes on as well, which is just a lot better. So first, plug in your PSP and go into USB mode, and you should see this pop up. Remember, removable disk, and you have to remember this letter E. Close that, and run the installer. Now your PSP has to be plugged into do this. Oh, and I'll put a link in the description for installer as well. So, browse, computer, removable disk. You don't want to go in any of the folders, just removable disk. Okay, and then install. Shouldn't take long. Oh, by the way, when you get that, it will look like a stack of books. So you'll need to install WinRAR, and then you just right click, and one of those will be like extract here or something. And then once it's installed, close it. And then let's go into your PSP. About PSP. And you have a CXMB folder. Now over here in PSP theme, yeah. If you've already put some on like I have, then you'll get those. But just go on like CXMB or whatever. And then I just don't really want that. Yeah, I don't really want to improve. By the way, if you're using the PS3 CXMB theme, every time I do put it on, my PSP doesn't reboot, and it's like I've bricked it. But then you go into recovery menu and disable all plugins. So that's that. Now let's just go into the PSP, and we'll see what it looks like then. Now you're probably not going to be able to see this very well because I have a crap camera. But once you're at USB mode, either unplug or just go back and go down to theme settings. Actually, first go select. Actually, yeah, right. First, right, back out of USB. Sorry. Shut down. Hold R and power. This will put it into recovery menu. Then go to plugins and CXMB. You want that to be enabled. Back and exit. It should boot up your PSP again. Yep, like that. And you should have this theme on your PSP. And if you go to theme settings, you get like, yeah, you get that theme and that theme. That comes with every time you start up. So yeah, just can't change the color or whatever. Oh, let me put on something I like. Oh my god, sorry guys. That'll do. No. Yeah, right. So, thanks for watching. If you got any questions, comment and rate please. Thank you.